Welcome to Software Unwrapped. Today we'll be reviewing Pictory AI. Pictory AI solves the problem of time-consuming and complex video creation. This helps save time and enables us to create professional videos in a short amount of time, leaving us with more time to focus on more important things. You also save on what you would have paid a freelancer or video editor. If you want to get started with Pictory AI, there's a link in the description below that will enable you to get access to a free trial. Pictory AI is an AI-powered online video creation and editing platform that allows users to create professional videos. Users can create videos from text, already existing videos, pictures, and other media. The platform uses natural language processing to extract key insights and highlights from the source content. It then automatically generates a video that summarizes those points. Pictory AI also provides users with a library of royalty-free stock footage, music, and sound effects to customize their videos. Pictory AI enables easy video creation for content marketers. This helps to generate more leads and boost sales by turning any content into highly shareable videos using the power of AI, which is fast, scalable, and affordable. Some of the features that make Pictory AI stand out are script to video. You can create professional, high-quality videos from your script, complete with realistic AI voices, matching footage, and music in just a few clicks. Next is the blog-to-video feature, which allows us to turn blog posts into videos for better SEO and reduced bounce rates. Blog posts automatically become captivating videos, both that readers and the search engines love. The next feature that really stands out for me is the ability to transform long-form videos into engaging, branded clips that we can share on social media. This feature allows us to automatically extract highlights from our Zoom, Teams, or webinars, even podcasts, and convert them into short branded video snippets, ideal for posting on social media. The next feature that really gets me going is the auto captions feature, which allows us to add captions for increased reach and watch time. You have to know that 85% of social media videos are watched on mute. Pictory automatically adds captions, resulting in up to 12% longer view time. Now we can touch on the pros and cons of Pictory AI. One of the pros that I really love is the ease of use. Pictory AI is easy to use and it doesn't eat up computer resources like other conventional video editing software. Another is that there's lots of media and templates. There's over 2 million visuals that you can choose from. The next benefit is that you'll actually save money on hiring an expensive video editor or freelancer. Next is excellent customer support. They are always available and fast to respond. Pictory AI has also partnered with 11 Labs, who offer some of the best realistic AI voices on the market. This gives us access to some realistic voices that we can add to our videos and enhance engagement and personalize the viewer's experience. Before we continue, let me just remind you that there is a link in the description to a free trial of Pictory AI. Let's now go through some of the cons. One of the cons is that there's limited features in the initial tier. Not all features are included in the initial tier. You'd have to upgrade your plan in order to access all the features. There is also a learning curve when it comes to Pictory AI. You'll have to get used to the dashboard and how everything works. Pictory AI is also slightly more expensive than their competitors that are on the market. Pictory also has less features on their lower tier plan when you compare it to one of their competitors in video. Another con is that their free trial is time limited and it requires a credit card. Now let's move on to pricing. Aside from the free trial, there's 3 different plans. There's the starter plan, the professional plan, and the teams plan. The starter plan is meant for content creators starting out with video. This plan goes for $23 per month. It allows 1 user per account, 30 videos per month. You can edit existing videos, transcribe or caption, up to 60 minutes long. There's 2 million royalty-free premium videos from Storyblocks. There's 34 text-to-speech AI voices, 5,000 music tracks, and 2 branded customizable templates. The next pricing plan, which is the most popular, is the professional plan. It is for professional creators and small to mid-sized organizations. It starts at $47 per month. It allows 1 user per account, 60 videos per month. You can edit existing videos using transcription or captions for up to 120 minutes long. There are 51 hyper-realistic AI voices from 11 labs. There are 60 text-to-speech AI voices. There are over 12 million royalty-free premium videos from Getty Images and Storyblocks. There's 10,000 music tracks, 5 branded customizable templates, and bulk video downloads. The last plan we have is the Teams plan, which is for teams of video creators who share and collaborate. This plan starts out at $119 per month. It allows 3 users per account. It allows 90 videos per month. You can edit existing videos by transcribing or adding captions for up to 180 minutes long. You also have access to 51 hyper-realistic AI voices from 11 labs. There are 60 text-to-speech AI voices, over 12 million royalty-free premium videos from Getty Images and Storyblocks, 15,000 music tracks, 10 branded customizable templates, bulk video downloads, sharing and collaboration, and API access. Please note that for all these pricing plans, there is the yearly option which allows you to pay for the entire year and receive a significant discount. There is also a limited time discount code in the description below that will allow you to get 40% off any annual plan and also get 10 free videos every month for life. My personal recommendation is to go for this tool. It may be slightly expensive than its competitors, like in video, but you definitely get value for your money. You'll be able to make professional videos simply, easily, and very fast. The link is in the description if you want to get started with a free trial. Thank you, and have a nice day.